20 years, I'm getting this opportunity to interact with the members of the trade union. It is a nostalgic moment for me because 35 years back when I joined the bank, in the second month itself, I joined IBO. The journey where I had the opportunity of having the exposure and also learnings from the great stalwarts in my Allahabad bank. Ashish Chaki was there, Vishwabandhu Bhattacharya, Vaidyanathan, and in IBO I had the opportunity of interacting with Shantarajuji and S.R. Senguptaji. Let me tell you one thing with confidence and authority, that unions are the breeding ground for the leadership.
Yeah.
See, exposure in the union activities gave me immense experience in handling the various issues. And also it has inculcated the skills, how to carry the team and how to give the human face to the problems faced by the members. And the empathy. And then it has helped me not only in the personal life and also in the professional career progression. After reaching this stage and age, our approach is now agnostic to the unions or associations. When I went deep into the associations and unions philosophy, let me tell you, all the unions and associations are espousing the values of equity, justice, and unity. See, as a banker, we all bestowed with the blessings of the God and our elders. Why I am saying so is, secret of satisfaction that can be realized in our banking career only. Whether we have joined in the bank by choice or by compulsion, but at the end of the day, whatever the work we do that is going to change the lives of millions of people, that what you have witnessed for the past so many years. Always I tell my people, bankers are like army force. Army is there at the borders to protect the nation from the enemies and aggression. But the bankers, what they do is establishing the peace in the society. Let me explain.